Hey YouTube, it's Habs Collector 13. I hope you guys are having a great day. As you can see in the background, I bought the brand new 2018-19 Trilogy Hobby box. It's the first time I'm going to be opening this product, so I'm very excited. I got this at the Card Palace. Yeah, very excited. I also got this overtime pack. And yeah, but before we start, if you guys saw my last video, I have a giveaway, huge giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to be giving away this nice Pittsburgh practice jersey from Adidas, NHL, brand new, still has the tags. I will put the link in the description so that you guys can see. I'm gonna put this in the background. Yeah, the link will pop right here, and the rules, well, it's in the other video, so good luck to everybody, and it's very simple to participate. And yeah, let's open this hobby box. All right. Sorry if it's a bit broken, but whatever. Alright. So we have 8 packs per box, 4 cards per pack. And let's start with the overtime pack first. Alright, so Mark Giordano, Mike Bossy Legends, Andres Athanasiou Blue, and a Sam Gagner Shootout. The blue is not numbered, but yeah. So first time opening Trilogy, hopefully we will hit a nice card. Big decoy. So the base card looks pretty cool. I really like the look. It's very nice. We have TJ Oshie, Alex Galchenyuk, Trilogy Parallel, numbered out of 799. Here is the back. Decoy, Dylan Larkin, and Braden Holtby. I really don't know what to expect in this product. I didn't do any research about it. So yeah, so Riley Smith. Oh, nice. Another parallel of Jonathan Marchessault, number of 799. Decoy, Connor Hellebuck, and Phil Kessel. Alright, Patrick Kane, Sebastian Aho, and we have a Juuso Välimäki level 1 rookie premieres. The Calgary Flames, numbered out of 999. Level 1. Right. Decoy and Johnny Gaudreau. Alright, 5 packs left. Hopefully we can pull a Dallin or Patterson. So Jonathan Marchessault, Mike Hoffman, Decoy, We have Kevin Shattenkirk and oh, nice. So Miro Heiskanen rookie premieres out of 999, level 1 also. Very, very cool. Alright, 4 packs left. Still nothing too special. Okay, so we have a fat card. Let's leave it for the end. Connor McDavid, Tuukka Rask, Alexander Ovechkin, Decoy, and we have, oh nice, rookie premieres of Jordan Kyrou, numbered out of 49. It's a sticker autograph. Here's the back. Pretty decent pull. We still got 3 packs to go. We also have another big fat card, so we're gonna leave it for the end also. Right, nice Matthew Barzal, Mark Stone, Decoy, Drew Doughty, and the hit is Philip Forsberg, red parallel out of 425. Okay, now down to our last 2 packs. Philip Forsberg base, PK Subban, Decoy, and we have a nice Dylan Sakura jersey, level 1, number out of 499, as you can see, with the Chicago Blackhawks. Alright, final pack. Hopefully it's gonna be a big hit. Marc-Andre Fleury, nice Max Domi with the Montreal Canadiens, Decoy, and our final hit is Philip Forsberg jersey card, number out of 331, because of his 331 gameplays. So not the best box, to be honest. Let's recap the hits. Right, Alex Galchenyuk blue parallel, Philip Forsberg jersey, Dylan Sakura rookie premieres jersey, level 1, Roman Josi red parallel, Jordan Kyrou level 3 autograph, inscripted, a number out of 49, and a Jonathan Marchessault blue parallel, I guess, number out of 799. Alright, so don't forget to to go check out the giveaway. The link is in the description, and good luck to everybody, and thank you so much for watching.